Hi, if you are in PG Residency and this video is for you, if you are in the first year or in the second year or third year, whatever the year you are in, and the most important thing is, first you need to understand whether you want to pursue a super specialty degree after doing your MD or MS or DNB. So first you need to understand whether you are interested to do that. In case you have a mindset to do a super specialty, either it be a DM or an MCH or a DRNB, then the best way is to work on the specialty that is a special interest for you. I mean, for a surgeon, either it be surgical gastro or onco or vascular, cardiothoracic or plastic or neuro, whatever it is. And for the medical side, could be a cardiology, neurology or nephrology or endocrinology or a rheumatology or hematology, whatever the super specialty that you wanted to do. Especially for MCH, ENT surgeons, it could be head and neck oncology, and for OG could be reproductive medicine, or could be gynec oncology, whatever might be the super specialty. MD radio diagnosis to go on to intervention radiology, and anesthesiology want to do critical care medicine, and whatever the super specialty that you want to do, pathology to do an oncopathology or hematopathology, whatever the PG residency you are in, and if you have an interest to do a super specialty in any of this field, the most important thing is that you need to do is you need to start working on that super specialty department. So you need to go on to have 1 or 2 months of a special posting you have been assigned to, or else you yourself can volunteer yourself and you have free time to go out to the department and check out whether this specialty really suits your personality. That means you are comfortable in that particular specialty that you want to do, because this is the specialty they're going to live with. So what my advice to you, suggestion to you is, travel sometime, be sometime in that specialty you wanted to do, understand whether exactly this is what you wanted to do. Once you have decided, okay, this is what I wanted to do, I see myself in this specialty, I'm very comfortable in this specialty, I love this specialty and it's too good. I have heard I want to do, but I'm experiencing it. It's good on me and good for myself. So I can do better on this and I'll be able to give a better patient service when I do this. So once that 100% comfort clicks you, then all that you need to do is you need to further explore how to reach that. When that point comes, I will suggest to you to do a thorough research that you'll be able to find that there are specialized course that is available, and in Speed and Speed Learning app been pioneers in teaching students and training students and mentoring students from a PG residency first year or second year or third year, or those who even completed, to get on to the dream super specialty of DM or MCH seats of their choice. So my name is Dr. Vinayak Senthil. I'm a cardiothoracic and vascular surgeon, and with the team of faculty of Speed and team of Speed, I have personally mentored more than 35,000 super specialty aspirants to reach their DM or MCH or DRNB seats of their choice. Because I myself have traveled through all these exams and competitive exams, I know what it means, I know the pain, and I have undergone the struggle, and I have seen how important it is for a student to do a super specialty today, for the practice and for their dream to come true. And in those days, it took me almost 21 years to complete from my MBBS to super specialty due to my financial struggle and difficulties that I had. When I have understood the nuances and I have understood what it takes and what it needs. So based on all that, and I have specially curated and designed a course. If you are a PG resident, want to take this course, and it's a specialized course that will handhold you from day one. The minute you enroll with us and register with us, it will handhold you to do your PG itself, whatever the specialty in post-graduation you have taken up, and that specialty you'll be able to learn appropriately with an expert faculty members in Speed, and they will help you to learn with a thorough knowledge and adequate knowledge with the concepts, and will also help you to attend the theory exam and to clear the theory exam successfully, and will help you to pass your practicals as well. So learning of the super specialty you want to do starts with your PG residency itself. So to complete your PG residency successfully, simultaneously, along with that, will help you to prepare for the super specialty that you're interested in. So every day, if you could spend 1 hour, 5 days a week, you will be able to clear your post-graduation with success and whatever the post-graduation you are in, and also simultaneously prepare for your dream super specialty, so you will not waste even a single day after you complete your post-graduation. So that subsequently, immediately after you finish your post-graduation, you can step into your super specialty degree of your choice without wasting much of your time. So this needs only a small time planning for 3 to 5 days and to take an action on that. So we will help you, and you have special counseling sessions, and you can reach out to me if you're interested. I'll give my link and the phone number below this video. So you can click onto that and you can get in touch with me. Our team will help you and do the needful for you to have a great learning experience with speed. And those students who can do a thorough research on those who are seniors who are doing the DM and MCH, or the students of speed. So with this background, I invite you to be a part of a great and amazing learning experience to the final lap to make your DM or MCH seats of your choice. Let it be either be a NEET SS exam or ESS exam. We will train you and make sure that you reach your goal and the target, and that will happen to you. And we assure you, we'll help you and assist you to do that. And see you soon in speed. Bye-bye.